Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into two fundamental data structures, tuples and dictionaries. We'll explore how they work, compare their differences, and learn how to use them effectively in your code. If you've been following along, this is a perfect continuation of what we've covered so far. And if you're new here, be sure to check out the previous videos, the link is above. Let's dive in. Let's talk about tuples. A tuple is very similar to a list, but with one key difference: tuples are immutable. This means that once a tuple is created, you can't change, add, or remove elements from it. Tuples are defined using parentheses. Here's an example of a tuple. Tuples are useful when you have a collection of values that should remain constant throughout your program. For instance, you might use a tuple to store the coordinates of a point, which should not change. Just like lists, you can access elements in a tuple using indexing, for example. And, just like lists, you can use negative indexing. One of the cool features of tuples is tuple unpacking. This allows you to assign each value in a tuple to separate variables. This is particularly useful when you're working with functions that return multiple values. You can unpack the return tuple directly into separate variables. So why use tuples when you can use lists? The main reason is immutability. If you're working with data that shouldn't change, using a tuple is a safer option because it prevents accidental modification. Tuples are also faster than lists in terms of performance, which can be beneficial in scenarios where speed matters. Finally, let's discuss dictionaries. A dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs, where each key is unique, and it's used to map one piece of data, the key, to another, the value. Dictionaries are incredibly useful for storing data where the association between keys and values is important. In this dictionary, name, age, and city are the keys, and Alice, 30, and New York are the corresponding values. To access a value in a dictionary, you use the key. For example, if the key you're trying to access does not exist, Python will raise a key error. To avoid this, you can use the get method, which allows you to provide a default value if the key is not found. You can add new key value pairs or update existing ones easily. To add a new entry, simply assign a value to a key that is not yet in the dictionary. To update an existing entry, assign a new value to a key that is already present. You can use the del statement to remove an item from a dictionary by its key. This method directly deletes the specified key value pair from the dictionary. Dictionaries can also contain other dictionaries. This is known as a nested dictionary and is useful for representing hierarchical data. For example, to access nested data, use multiple keys. Dictionaries are great when you need a fast lookup for values based on unique keys. They are perfect for situations where the relationship between data items is crucial, like storing user profiles, configurations, or any data where a unique identifier is used. So, to summarize what we've covered today, lists are ordered and changeable collections that allow duplicates. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. Tuples are immutable collections, which are perfect for fixed data. And dictionaries are key-value pairs that allow fast lookups and are highly versatile for many applications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more Python tutorials. Check out the description below for links to additional resources and related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.